Hello students, welcome again. Today we are going to draw a train. We prepare our paper, HB pencil, eraser. I normally use a cutter to sharpen my pencils. And we are going to use markers to highlight the drawing. The markers will be like my B series pencils. So we start. A train is very easy to draw. At this point, I will introduce something called perspective. When I'm drawing a train, I think of a simple box. That's a box. Then I extend the lines all the way out. I will do it till the edge of my paper. Simple box. Then I will draw parallel lines from the edge all the way out. If you can see, these are a series of 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. These are the train compartments. So we'll do a steam engine. The first compartment, I will draw a simple cylinder. Then the next one will be a cabin. I split it. Then the next cabin, and I split. If you notice, I am just sketching at this point, no particular details, because I have to get the whole concept before drawing the final details of the train. So that will be the window line. Do a circle in the middle. The front of the train. Then I sketch simple wheels. The engines will have 3 big wheels. These will drive the train. And the compartment will have simple small wheels. I have to draw a line because the train always moves on the tracks. My landscape, I will draw a pine forest. So as we said, pines are normally just a series of triangles. Then this will be a classic train riding besides a mountain. I'll put the chimney for the smoke and the cone. Once I have my sketch in place, I will start with my marker to put the details. I'll start with what is further away, the mountain. Very simple. Then I'll go to the pine trees. If you can see, it's a very easy sketch because I started with the guidelines. Very simple. Then I go to the train. I just put in the details. You can use a reference train if you can't use the imagination. I'm just trying to imagine a train. Spoke rims. And I do my cabins. Door. Another door. Easy to establish where they are because of my guidelines. They get smaller as you move away from the engine. We'll put rounded windows. Then we'll put the train track. Next time we'll start doing perspective, and I'll show you the principles of perspective. So we'll shade so our drawings look realistic. Under the train, I'll make it line shading dark. The side also, make it a bit dark. You have to make the engine look realistic. So we'll put those lines and put the metal rivets. I'll shade the curve. And I'll put details on the trees. The tracks are always on rocks, so I'll put simple pebbles randomly. And grass. A simple train besides a mountain.